You know how I've been talking about this gel for years at this point? Well, sadly, all good things must come to an end. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Courtney and I love playing around with all things wavy curly hair. And today we are talking about something a little bit exciting. A little while back, a really sweet subscriber let me know that she found out that Biosilk was discontinuing the Oh Blessed Biosilk Rock Hard Gelee.
No! No! No!
It is hard to find a really good hard hold gel that is glycerin free and has some protein. Needless to say, I went on the hunt. I tried to figure out a solution, an alternative, because I was really bummed out. I really like this product. I've loved it for years. And I went so far as to contact Biosilk themselves. They were incredibly sweet and incredibly helpful. It is rather a giant company. I actually found out that Biosilk and the brand Chi are owned by the same group. FAVORITE, I think is how it's said. If I said that wrong, I'm sorry. And they actually told me that the company was going to be discontinuing the Biosilk, but that Chi, the sister company, would be producing a substitute product. Well, I don't know about you, but I have very nostalgic feelings about Chi. I am of the age and generation where everyone bought a Chi straightener and flat ironed their hair into oblivion. And it took me a while because of flat ironing memories, but I actually went out and purchased this product right here. This is the Chi Infra Gel, and it says maximum control gel made in the USA. When I purchased it, I didn't have a bottle of the Biosilk with me, but I started reading the ingredients label and I went, wait, I recognize this. I have read that ingredients label on the Biosilk so much that I actually recognize the ingredients. It is very, very, very similar. It's not exact, but it's very close. One of the biggest differences is that it smells like all of the Chi products. It's got that really iconic Chi fragrance with it, but it's glycerin free and contains some protein. So in today's video, I am testing out this gel for the first time. These are actually my results right now, but I'm gonna save the full reveal for a little bit later. What we're gonna do right now is we are gonna compare these side by side and see what the differences in the textures are. Had to adjust some settings on my camera. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna compare these two gels side by side. Fingers crossed we can get the shots in focus. All right, this is the Biosilk Rock Hard Gelee. The product is completely clear and it does run a bit, but it's very stringy as far as gels go. And one of the things that really happens with this product is the more you warm it up and emulsify it, it'll start to get a little bit foamy on you. And I'm not sure we're gonna be able to pick that up, but especially when my hands have a little bit of water on it, it will get foamy. I think you can see that it's starting to do that a little bit. Now I'm going in with the Chi gel, and you can see that it runs, like the Biosilk. It's got that same kind of stringy, flaxseedy sort of texture, and because it's not completely clear, it looks a lot like boogers. I'm sorry about that. Now I'm gonna see if it does that foamy thing that the Biosilk does. I've only ever noticed the Biosilk doing the foamy thing. I've never had any other gel do that for me. And you can actually see that this one, maybe you can't, but it's actually doing it just a little bit too. Not as much as the Biosilk, but a little bit. So that was what the products looked like up close. They have a lot of similarities, very similar texture, very similar feel, but that doesn't tell us how they're going to perform in the hair. So for today's wash day, I actually grabbed a bunch of very nostalgic products for me. A lot of these products I have been using for years at this point. I decided to go in and wash my hair with the Jessie Curl Gentle Lather Shampoo. I love this stuff. It is very nourishing, very hydrating and moisturizing while also being cleansing. It has a little bit of a stiff lather and it doesn't lather very much. So if you try it, take your time, really work with the product. If you need to, do a double cleanse. Next, I went in with the Mop Top Daily Conditioner. And as soon as I smelled this, it took me back to the days of hair transition. Back when my hair was really cute. Maybe not so much, but y'all know how I feel about the Mop Top Daily Conditioner. It detangles beautifully, smells awesome, and goodness, my hair just soaks this stuff up. I really took my time doing a squish to condish to really give my hair a chance to absorb all that delicious conditionery goodness. Then I rinsed that out very thoroughly and grabbed just a tiny pea-sized amount of the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in and work that through my hair with my fingers, making sure to finger detangle. After I finished distributing that with my fingers, I got my perfect hair care brush and started organizing my curl clumps into where I kind of wanted them to go for the day. Then I really raked the hair off the back of my head and added just a tiny bit of water to my hair so that I could do a squish to condish with my leave-in as well as begin to really organize my curl clumps. Now for the moment of truth. Let's use the Chi Infra Gel. I love that this thing has a pump. Can you believe that this product has a pump? I don't need to measure because I have a pump. Anyway, I grabbed about 3 pumps of this product and really took my time warming it up in my hands, making sure that it was really smooth before I glazed it, roped it, and scrunched it into my hair. Now, like the Biosilk, I can kind of tell that this product wants something underneath it, like maybe a curl cream or a custard. Anytime I use the Biosilk on its own, it's like a crazy hard hold gel, and I did notice my curl clumps breaking up just a little bit as I scrunch this in. It's okay. Sometimes smaller curl clumps just mean you get bigger hair, more volume. Then I stood up and shook the hair off the back of my head and added a couple more pumps to each side of the back of my hair. Yeah, this is what the curl clumps were looking like after I'd gotten done scrunching all that gel in. Then I went and diffused my hair to about the 90% dry mark and then let it finish air drying all the way and came back to scrunch out the crunch. Guys, this product gave my hair a cast. Can you believe it? I love a good cast. They're so much fun to scrunch out. I gave my hair a really good scrunch because this was a pretty stubborn cast. Here we are. Here are the final results. It's actually had a chance to settle a little bit after I scrunched out the crunch and fluffed. So let me turn around and show you the back. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. This might be one of the best hair days I've had in a while. Now, I will be playing around with this product some more. I will be testing it out and seeing how long the wash days last for, but if you're like me and you were very sad that the Biosilk Rock Hard Gelee had been discontinued, guess what? I found its cousin in the Infra Gel from Chi. I'm pretty pleased about it because I may or may not like the scent of the Chi fragrance more than I liked the scent of the Biosilk. This was pretty neutral, but it kind of smelled like my grandmother's hairspray. This one just, it takes me back. Anyway, price-wise, they are very similar price, and you actually get 2 more fluid ounces with this product. I believe I found it on sale in my local grocery store for $8.99, but I think it normally retails for $12.99. I believe I purchased this for $15-ish, long time ago. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for taking a trip down memory lane with me. Nostalgia. Oh, using this Jessie Curl and the Mop Top and the Curls Blueberry Bliss, all of those scents like took me back to when I first started wearing my hair wavy, curly, and honestly, it kind of reminded me why I do this, why I wash my hair and film it and share these videos on the internet with you guys. Embracing my hair as it grows out of my head and nourishing it and loving on it and enhancing it and honestly loving it for the way it is reminded me of how that unlocked a deep, deep self-acceptance of myself that I have never known before. I think it's really, really important that more people embrace how they are fearfully and wonderfully made, and wearing my waves and curls is what did that for me. So that is why I continue to do my very best to share all the tips and tricks I can find. Anyway, I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!